made it to Turkey. We stayed in Turkey. We bought all of Turkey. We're about to go head over to Egypt in a bit, but we're about to go over there, shop a bit. I have like 18 people in my family I need to buy shit for because everyone needs something, right? So we're gonna go downstairs, take a taxi, take all of these bags because we have like 5 bags. Excuse the pink one. We're kind of trying to make it seem like it's a bitch with the bag so then it doesn't get stolen because this one has the main gifts, right? When you go to Egypt, every single time they question the fuck out of you. Every time you go, they're gonna ask me if I'm smoking, they're asking me if I'm drinking, if I have weed with me, they're gonna...
Are you smoking weed? Oh my god.
Just assume I'm doing something wrong because I have the American passport. And the thing is about Egypt, you cannot reveal your nationality except the USA nationality or else you will get fucked. Not every single country is free like America, but now we got ICE agents and Nazis on the ground, so I don't know how free it's gonna be for how long, but we're about to go teleport downstairs. We're about to have a nice little fucking vlog for you boys. Man, I wish I showed y'all what the fuck we just did, bro. We just absolutely tarnished shit. This is how it started, right? This is how it ended. Brother right here got us right. Hi. Salam, brother. This is the last meal before heading over to Egypt. So now we're about to catch Uber over to the hotel, get all of our bags, head over to the airport, then go over to Egypt. But before that, we did a little bit of shopping, bought a couple stuff right here. But yeah, about to head out of here, catch a little oopski, maybe smoke a little ciggy, and straight to the airport. I'll see you guys in the flip side. Quick little update. We got through security and everything, but now we're on standby because I overbooked the flight, and now me and my boy have to wait till everyone boards to see if they got a spot, and if they don't got a spot, we gotta wait till the morning in order to secure a spot. So always some bullshit when you're traveling, but in the meantime, about to work. It's the next day. This morning we are at this 5-star hotel. They have a one goy slop fits all for lunch today, so we're eating meatballs with meat soup. We only have 13 minutes left until the shuttle comes gets us, and this time hopefully we're going to make our flight to Egypt, but we're gonna see if we face any problems there. So yeah, we'll see what happens, but I'll finish my goy slop and we'll get back to you guys. No, we're back to Istanbul airport, about to head over to Egypt now. We have to smoke a little ciggy as a farewell goodbye. This might be the last time we come here for a minute. Been here way too many times. Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna stop the recording so then I don't get arrested. So I posted this on my story and I told those who want to donate. And within 1 hour, this was last night, it was like 3 a.m., raised $1,200. So we matched that. So now right here, you're looking at $2,400 USD in pounds. We're about to go to the village now, and they're about to give back. And you guys are gonna see, like, this is what I always talk about on the channel, of looking at other people's perspectives, because there's so many people across the world that would wish to be in your position, that don't have any money, that don't have any food, and don't have the same opportunities as you. Here in the village, this is what the village looks like now. Started to build up some buildings made of brick. About to head downstairs real quick though. In the village with Unc, we're about to hit the first house. We have so much and plenty to give, but this is gonna be the first one we hit today. I don't know if I'm gonna record it all because there's so much. Crib number 1, we got so much to give and probably not gonna record it all, but this is number 1. My Unc knows everyone in the village, so that's why we're following his guidance and seeing who needs it. Oh, man. Now that you see the state of the people, you see why it's so important to give back. How privileged we are in the US to have what we have, to have the opportunities that we have, even if it's just a job at McDonald's. People can't get jobs here. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. All right, we passed out to like 20 different people. We're about to cut off the camera a little bit because we're about to be walking for another 2 hours, so I'll catch you guys near the end. They're building a mosque right here, so we're about to donate 5,000 pounds, which equals to like $100, $200. We might increase it to 10,000. So a lot of your money is going to go towards building this mosque right here. So whoever donated, good job. Wrapping up the night.
Passed out hella shit. Now we're at the pyramids, and the camera's a little bit unstable because we're also on a fucking camel. Yo, this is exactly why we work hard as entrepreneurs, so we can get views like this on a random Saturday at, what time is it? 3:27 p.m. So we can enjoy our lives. You know, it's not all about money, but money is a tool to unlock the things that you want, to travel where you want, when you want, and how you want. And that's the perfect example right here. Don't get lost in the sauce. Don't be using your money to do stupid shit. Use your money to travel, experience the world, do the things that you want, ride on a fucking camel if that's what you want to do. A lot of people are lazy as hell. And that's the reality of the world. A lot of people don't have respect. A lot of people don't have energy. A lot of people do not have discipline in general. But this is the type of life that you want to live. We just teleported over here to a place called Fayoum. It's an amazing place here. We're at a hotel. We just had some brekkie. Some cotton place, Uncle Ruckus type shit, you know? Some cotton picking slaves. They used to have them out here. Slaves originated in Egypt, just so you guys know. People are gonna be commenting, John, you're racist, John, you're racist. No, slaves originated in Egypt. We are the owners of the original slaves. It's not the Americans, it's the Egyptians. And I'm not gonna tell you the race that we enslaved, because then I'll get my account banned, because they control the world. But anyways, about to tap in, about to head over to the desert right now. My cousin's behind me tweaking, geeking out. I'm the only one stable, but we're about to head over right now. Let's get it. Catching another flight. 6 a.m. I have not slept in 48 hours. We're gone ahead and teleported here to Hurghada. It is a beach town, beach city. Right now, we're hopping on a little yacht boat, about to go scuba diving. By we, I mean me and my boy OT. But we spent a day here so far. We're staying at a nice little villa. What are we running off? Three hours of sleep. I did manage to secure middle of 3 a.m. $3,700 piff. That's just another little addition to the biz, but about to go enjoy the time here. Fucking went down there. Who knows what the fuck he's doing? He's searching for Patrick. To wrap up the day, maybe go horseback riding real quick. About to hit up the guy that we know from before. Been here like past 3 years on the road, right? But let's take a second and peep this view right here.